Howdy folks, today we'll be taking a look at Eduard's 1/48 scale BF109G4 Weekend Edition. This is the front of the box art. There's two variants of this inside. They're both from the desert campaign, South Africa, Egypt, that areas of the world. This side of the box, there's this side, kit number 84149. There's that variants, and the colours called out on the side. And if you go on Eduard's webpage, you can get the colour call out, so you can do that variant as well if you wish. Inside the kit, in the Weekend Edition, you get your decals, instruction manual, one bag of screws with the glass, second bag of screws, and remember me saying you go online and get the other call out. That's for the extra decals that you go online for. And a little bit of photo etch, which is some seat belts. There's no cockpit detail, there's no canopy mask in the Weekend Edition, there's no resin. It's the lower end basic kit of theirs. But with this, I have got a canopy mask with this kit, but you have to buy this separately. This is a separate product you have to buy from Eduard. So there's the secondary decals. Like I said before, you have to go online to get the colour call out for that aircraft. I'm not going to be doing that one. I'm going to be doing the yellow sand desert one. There's a little bit of photo etch, seat belts. They're pre-painted, so they're ready to go. There's the other masks. This is for the main two planes in the kit. They're done by a cartographer. Best decals in the world. Actually, these ones are done by Eduard itself, actually, not cartographer. These are Eduard's decals, sorry, my bad. But they're still good. They're still good decals. You like their kits. We're going to look in the instruction menu at the end. In this bag, all the clear parts by Eduard. They're in a resealable bag, which is nice. They're quite clear. There's a little bit of writing. You can so you can clearly see straight through them quite clearly still. The clarity and clearness of this glass is really, really good. Pretty good. Put this back in the bag so I don't want to get scratched up. If you scratch the clear glass, pretty much the kit's buggered. No good. We have the underside of the top wings. The detailing on this kit. A little bit of oil from my fingers then. The detailing on this is superb. You see all the rivet details, and it's just amazing detail. There's your fuselage. Again, detail is second to none. It's just Absolute gorgeous. Kits are superb. If you want a highly detailed kit, Eduard, I'll right up there. They are. They are right up there for detail. Bag number 2. We have propellers, drop tanks, wheels, guns, undercarriage, bombs, fuselage, cockpit firewalls, what else is on there? Wheel arches. It's all the small fine detail parts. Again, detailing on these drop tanks are just crisp, gorgeous. The wheels, one-piece wheels, which are pretty good. The detailing on them will come out, and they have got writing on them. Can't work out what it actually says. Looks like Continental, maybe. I think it could be Continental. It says there. Can't quite work it out. Second part of the sprue. More drop tanks, ailerons, tail fins. The rear wheel, aerials, guns. Yeah, like the detail on the rudders and stuff, it is superb. Instruction manual, a little bit about the kit. Pause it if you wish to read it. I'll scroll up slowly. Sorry, just going to move your foot, move you a little bit closer. So, first page, anything is in blue is not going to be needed in this kit. So as extras, keep them for another kit, another model later on another later date, or whatever you wish to do. Also, there's a couple of call outs. In Mr. Hobby guns, there's black, blue, flat white, black, red, brown, black, grey, sand yellow, which I'll be needing because I'm doing the desert one, grey, green, grey, grey, black, clear red, clear green, yellow, red, black, grey, light blue, there's 2 different types, and olive drab, chrome silver, and dark iron, which is for the exhausts. But cockpit detailing, putting one of the wheels on, which is for trim, I think. Or it could be a canopy to do window. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what the controls are on the one I'm on. Putting your seatbelts in, the side instrument panel, and then control instrument panel as well. Getting your fuselage ready, lined up, cockpit all installed. Ailerons, tail fins, rudders, the rear wheel, putting the front nose trim on, getting the wings lined up and undercarriage ready, wheel arches, lining up the front. These bits on the front is for when they pop out, it makes a BF 109 turn really quick, not quickly, but it makes it a little bit agile. Something to do with the airflow. Radiator air ducts, I believe they are. Flaps and ailerons if you want them up or down. Having the wheels down and getting their undercarriage ready. Cockpit open or closed. Putting propeller on. Extra guns, cannons, drop tanks. Making sure that everything lines up and it's straight. There's one decal option, BF 109 from France, February to March 1943, and the desert one, 109G, which is from Tanzania. I'm not sure where Tanzania is. Is it Africa? Not sure. That's 1943 as well, but this is the one I'll be doing. I'll be doing this desert one. And then your stencil placement as well. So that's the BF 109 by Eduard. Sorry folks, that's the BF 109 by Eduard, weekend edition 148. Thanks for watching.